We are in Puerto Real, Iloilo. This is an exclusive subdivision, probably for sure the #1 exclusive subdivision in Iloilo City. And we're down here because this is Larra's school that's inside of that community. It's called Santa Clarita International School. And so they give us the lesson plan, stuff like that. And every couple of months you got to come and see the teachers and get tested, and check in on her, get your new schoolwork for the next time. But it's a really beautiful school. I've actually, I've been here a few times in the past for different events on my previous YouTube channel. They gave me a whole day here. It was really cool. Anyway, lovely neighborhood and everything. Great for kids to get international accreditation, because they're also linked up with international schools. And we'll show you this community later, because wow, the homes in here, stunning. Well, here's Larra. We're in the lunchroom right now. Yeah. So this is your new school. Yeah, you got to meet the principal, right? She's the principal. That's who you met. And after lunch, then you'll get to meet a teacher. Pretty cool. You're gonna do so good, right? You're gonna know your ABCs, your 1, 2, 3, all that, right? Yeah.
And my K too.
That's right. That's right. And your K Larra, how to spell your name, everything, right? Okay, good. Good. I'm sure you're gonna do great. Don't you worry about anything, okay? Okay. It's gonna be okay. She's so shy.
I know.
I'm scared.
But I'm the one who's excited.
Oh. Laura started to warm up and she's doing really well now. Literally loving everybody. Prima Buckley, her daughter now runs this school, but she's the warden for the embassy, U.S. embassy here in Iloilo. So they have a lot of big events for Americans and even Canadians, British. They invite everybody. So the next big one's coming up soon. She's going to give me the information so I can share it with you guys. I'm talking like 1,000 people, right? And the embassy puts these things on. So anyway, so I'm going to let you guys know as soon as I hear something. So this is what the neighborhoods look like here. It's really, really incredible. And a lot of the big families that that own a lot of the businesses here in the city, but also businesses even in Manila, a place like that, will have a second home even here in Iloilo. They'll do it here in Puerto Real. At about 5 or 6 o'clock at night, I've been here lots of times because I have several friends who rent houses in here, and they'll be bicycling. People will be out everywhere, walking their babies and dogs and everything. It's a good time. It's actually a really comfortable place to live. You hear no roosters, just some birds chirping in the trees, and that's about it. Now rentals in here though, I've seen them as low as 50,000. They just got little custom small dogs, whole bunch of them. Look at them all. Holy smokes, I got a lot of dogs. Yeah, so the houses for rent here, they'll range from 50,000 and then up to about 150,000. Some of the big corporations here, if they have managers, like a lot of them have American or British expat managers that operate the call centers. The call center company will put them up in a house here. So some of those houses, they rent for them. Well, the budget's higher. I guess they spend like the 200,000 a month. So there are some really, really crazy large homes in here. But I know a lot of the families. I remember filming here like several years ago, and a few of the families wrote me and they're like, "Hey, I live in California now and you filmed my house. I haven't seen my house in a long time. It's good to see it again," that kind of thing. And I was quite surprised, just meeting these people virtually, I guess. There are lots here, but they're all bought. Like, it's a long time ago, right? And so, oh, look. Oh, they got like parrots and budgies. Oh, cute. Anyway, like a lot like this, it's long sold. They just land banking it, hanging on to it. Maybe one day they plan to build a house, but a lot of people will be just hanging on to it because they bought it such a long time ago, so little, that one day they can get 10x their money. So yeah, if you're coming to Iloilo and you're wondering, hey, what's this house rental in Puerto Real? Why is it so expensive? This is why. It is a very private, exclusive subdivision. There's one that's beside it here that you can step down on the price, but it's still really, really nice. Just not to this level. Like they'll have a lot more of the daily life Philippines, you know, on the streets. And it's called Ledesco, but still, a lot of people love that one too. Well. How do you like that one? Yeah, that's a nice house, right? So the owner of this house, he's written me before, so I know he watches the channel. Hello, shout out to you. Not gonna say any names, but yeah, nice. You have a very nice house. I know he said that he has, I don't know if it's those lots or these lots right across, but he said the lots near his house, he owns them too, and he's like, I'm ready, you know, I can sell them. And I believe it was California. I might be wrong, but I think it was California where he lives. So if you're interested, but not that you can't find lots for selling here, but sometimes it's good to know who the owner is and you know that the title's clean and everything else. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is a nice house here. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah. Really, really nice. You know, if you're retiring, you just want a nice quiet place, you want to be able to build yourself a nice house, that kind of thing. Or maybe you just want to rent a house, you know. This is a great place to rent a house. And to be in Iloilo, which is considered a very livable top city. Down there. A lot of these houses have full solar panels too. In the past, on my other channel too, that was another thing. I came out here while a solar company was installing. I know the owners of the solar companies, and they gave me the whole rundown of how much money they're gonna save and how long it'll take to pay off, because they run I don't know if they still do, but at the time they were doing a thing where you show them a bill, as long as your bill was over 10,000 pesos a month, they say okay, and they calculate how much it would take to do the whole house. And then they say, okay, so for the next 5 years, you're going to pay me. I don't know who this dog is. There's not usually wild dogs here. It's really rare. He came out of somewhere, so maybe he was from that property. Anyway, and so they whatever that 10,000, for example, they will charge you that for X amount of months till the equipment is paid off, and then it's yours. Done. So not everybody wants to put up the 500,000 or 750,000 pesos for a whole solar system. You can do it that way too, and it doesn't cost you any different. And then in 5 years, it's free. All the electrical after that. Anyway, I think they still do that. I'm not sure. Okay, so this would be the extreme example of luxury houses here. Little Laura, how was your first day at school?
Nice.
Yeah, you like your teacher? What's your teacher's name?
Miss Hannah.
That's right. She thought you were really smart. Well, guys, we are over in the provinces of Guimbal now, and we're going to make a little visit over at Kathryn's parents' house. And you know, we're not expecting much change on the house, to be honest, because well, we haven't been able to give them very much money lately.
We ordered some of the materials, but they didn't deliver yet, so they're waiting until now.
Okay. Yeah, because we had unforeseen expenses last month, so we only were giving them like 15,000 or something. I had a couple of times, something like that, or 10 and then 15. I don't remember. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if there's anything extra done. But if you don't know, by the way, we've been helping. We're paying. They do the labor, and for them to build a house here in the provinces for her parents, because Larra comes and stays with them, and we wanted a good place for them to live. We're also about to get rain. We just heard some thunder rolling in. Some dark clouds are coming, so we'll see.
Hi, si Larra.
Here we go. About to see. Okay, look at that. They got the one room done. Sort of. Look at that, Larra. Yeah. Oh yeah, and they've got that all knocked out. Hello, hello. And they got walls for the bathroom now, at least. We got that going. There's the platform from what they used to have. Now it's like a deck. It's like having a deck. Yeah, look at that. You got a deck now.
Yeah. This is Larra's room.
Okay. Look at JR's having a nap.
My brother sleeps here.
Hello, JR. Oh, yeah.
All the stuff in here for now.
Yep. You see the insulations here? Look at that. Look at that.
Look at Larra's face there.
Larra's face? Oh my gosh.
Oh,
That's...
look at this one too.
Oh,
Right here.
Oh. Oh. Look at that. There's Larra. Was that her first birthday? Oh, that's her first birthday. Wow. All right. Well, that's what we got so far. They got a TV going on in there too. Watching TV right now.
I said my grandma, I go to school already.
That's right. Can you tell her your teacher's name?
Miss Hannah.
You don't tell me, tell Grandma. Oh yeah, some of the supplies are still here.
Look at this.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Ah.
Oh, what do you think cats do? Claws. We're taking the cat home.
Happy birthday.
Now we don't have to worry about mice or anything.
My
'Cause
engineer
the
is
field next door.
it's
Oh,
her birthday.
happy birthday, engineer. Oh. Oh, look at this guy. Look at him. He's getting tall and skinny.
Hi.
Wow. Well, the cat's all packed up. Mahau. Mahau is the name. He's in there somewhere. There he is. And we're going to take him back to Roxas City. Take a little while for the little dogs to get used to him. Bye-bye, Mahau. Yeah, bye-bye. You got Mahau, Larra?
Bye-bye.
All right, let's go. Bye-bye. Everybody will walk us to the road as usual. Oh, cat moved around. Bad boy. Who's pig? Who's the pig? They calling you a bad boy, Larra? Larra, bad boy. Yeah, the rain's definitely coming. It's humid, so you know it's gonna crack soon. We'll get out of here just in time. Get back to Roxas City. Okay, anyway guys, make sure you come to the Expat Meetup if you're in the area or can make it out to Roxas City. It is this coming Sunday, the 14th, 3 p.m. and we are expecting probably the biggest numbers we've ever had. Maybe we'll break 100, I don't know, we'll see. But we have a lot of people confirmed, booked into the hotels. They're going to even be there the day before. So we're expecting big numbers. Come and join us. By the way, if you're looking for rentals in the Philippines, go to tplrentals.com. If you're looking for condos, land, whatever. Another place to check is tplbuy.com. So anyway, guys, we'll see you again. Nice to see you all. Say bye-bye. 3-hour drive home, 3-4 hours. We'll see if we get there before rush hour. I think we'll be just fine. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.